All right, guys, hey, I bought this house for $30,000 right outside of DC. Great buy, right? Except there's one little catch. The house is infested with snakes. No lie, let me show you. I mean, this has got to be what Indiana Jones felt like. I'm walking around this place like just waiting for one to jump out and get me. Let me tell you some of the details on it. So I bought it for $30,000, great deal. I think it's worth in its current condition about $300,000, of course, minus the snakes. But it's gonna take a little bit of work. I gotta bump the walls out, maybe up. And if I do that, if I add a bedroom or two, I think it's worth about $500,000. So I got some margin here, but I'm trying to find these snakes. Hold on, let's keep looking. All right, I'm in the bathroom. This is probably a bad idea, but I found a mop that was sitting in the shower. And there's an attic access here. I'm gonna hit it, see what happens. It's not gonna be good. Oh, good Lord. Ah, that's where they're at, in the attic. Oh my God. Can you see that? What is that? I have no idea what kind of snake that is, but when I hit that, that's what fell out. Oh, I have to do it. I don't want to, but I know I have to. I gotta crawl up there and see what's there. Oh, wish me luck. There's some chairs. This is not gonna end well. Oh, it was nice knowing you guys if I don't make it. Not to be too dramatic, but I don't know what kind of snake skin that is. And I can only imagine what's there. All right, I'm turning this around. Bad idea, bad idea, bad idea. See that? So if I crawl all the way up in here, you see all those snake skins? Oh my God. I bet you they're just looking at me right now like, what are you doing? Oh, what is that? I have no idea, but I don't think I'm gonna crawl up there right now because I don't know what kind of skins those are. Oh. All right, let's get down while I'm still alive. So this is the beauty of flipping. Lots of return, lots of margin sometimes in deals, but it's like an early Christmas. Like you never know what you're gonna get. I bought this house thinking, man, I'm gonna hit a home run, and I will. This is going to be a good buy. But there are snake skins in the basement, outside. Like this is literally a snake infested house. Let me go downstairs and show you real quick. All right, here's my path to the basement. Good thing I have shorts on today. Take a few ticks home with me. All right, as you can see, this house needs a little bit of work. All right, guys, let me check this out. I mean, look at that, snake skin. Look at that, it's a big snake skin. I mean, look at that. It's like wrapped around the plumbing. Oh my gosh, is that a real snake still? A real snake. Is that a live snake still up there? Oh my gosh, can you see where it goes up through the plumbing into the floor joist of the house? Yeah, I mean, this house is gonna need a little bit of work. What's back here? Oh, bunch of crickets. Okay. Little appetizer for the snakes. I mean, have you ever seen a snake skin so big as this? I mean, that must have been half of it, and then this is the other half, and it's still up. You probably can't see it, but it goes up and through. Oh. All right, guys, I think that's a wrap. Didn't see any snakes, that's unfortunate, but they probably saw me. They're looking at me probably right now. Oh my gosh, that's even more snakes, or snake skins. Oh. All right, well, follow along as I turn this house from a snake-infested hole into something that's amazing. Like I said, I think there's a ton of margin in it. I bought it for $30,000. Today, if I do the renovations, it's probably worth $300,000. If I do a little bit extra to it, if I bump it up and bump it out, I think I'm gonna add some extra bedrooms to it and some more square footage. I think it'll be worth about $500,000. Great buy, great investment. If you wanna know how to spot these deals and how to scale them, how to renovate them, how to put a little change in your pocket, reach out to me. Let's talk. I'd love to show you how I do it. Love you guys.